All I have to do is push this in, twist it. It sounds kind of broken, but if you push it in, and it should just pop out like that. This one is broken, doesn't work all the way. Hit the clip there. Just press this at the clip here and push. And like that. So the old one's out. I'll just clip it in. Like so. Now I have to push this in. Slide it right in and twist. That's installed now. It's got the updated things, color as well. Very pleased with it. Hope you liked it.